Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 13 fields and fences, that is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means peri. The meaning of peri means around. Around. What is the meaning of peri? Peri means around. Then meter. Meter means measure. What is the meter? Meter means measure. So, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means around the measure. Suppose this is the blackboard. What is the perimeter of the blackboard? So, this all boundaries, the distance of the boundary of the figure, or the length of the boundary of the figure, around the figure. That is called the perimeter. Suppose you take the book. The book, these all the boundaries, all this, so the distance of the boundary, it is called the perimeter. First starting one point to this and around that all, you have to measure this one and reach the same beginning point. That is called the perimeter. Okay? What is the perimeter? Perimeter means cover the one round of the whole figure beginning from one point and reaching the same point. That is called the perimeter. Suppose this is book. Book is here length, it is breadth. It is also length and it is breadth. This length and breadth or how much is given, that one you will add. Then that will become the perimeter. Okay? These closed figures. Suppose polygons. Polygon means that is the closed figure with the line segments. That is closed figure with line segment. That is, suppose this is a triangle, it is also a polygon, and a quadrilateral, this is also a polygon, and a rectangle, this is also a polygon, and square, this is also a polygon, and like this closed figure with the line segment, those are called the polygons. This type of figures, how you will find the perimeter? You have to measure. Suppose this is the triangle. Suppose triangle given. The triangle, this, how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. This is one side, this is another side, this is another side. So 3 sides are there. So they will give the measurement. Suppose this is the 2 centimeter and it is the 3 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. Suppose they given the triangle measurement is 2, 3, 4. So how you find the perimeter? You will add all the measurements, all sides. First side is side 2 centimeter, then second side is 3 centimeter, then another side is 4 centimeter. Then you will add the 3 sides. Then how much will come? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle. This is the closed figure, means it is a polygon. Closed figure, 3 line segments are there, triangle. So what is the measurement of the 3 sides? That you will add, that is called the perimeter. Okay, understand what is the perimeter meaning? The distance covered by the figure or the length of the boundary of the figure. Suppose one point from the starting, 1 point to will go round on the figure and reach the same point. That is called perimeter. So here triangle given means you have to add the 3 sides. Suppose the triangle, another 4 sides are there, that is called quadrilateral. 4 sides are there, it is given 4 centimeter, it is given 3 centimeter, it is 5 centimeter. Suppose it is given 4 centimeter. So this is the, then how you will find the perimeter? You will add all the sides because the distance of the boundary or length of the boundary of your figure. So you have to add. So first you will start 3 centimeter, then another 4 centimeter. Any one side first you start any point. This one you first you write and next this one, or third one is 4 centimeter, then another side is 5 centimeter. Total you will add how much will come, that is the perimeter. Understand the, do you understand what is the perimeter? Perimeter means length of the boundary of the figure. So length is here 4 sides are there, that 4 sides you will add, that is the perimeter of the quadrilateral. It is called the quadrilateral. It is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So 16 centimeter is the perimeter of the this quadrilateral. Understand? This is a quadrilateral. The perimeter of the quadrilateral is 16 centimeter. Okay? It is given the measurement. That's why you have find that. Okay? Next is, suppose the triangle is equilateral triangle given. Means the sides are equal. Before the triangle, that is the three lines lines are different. Here three lines sides are equal. Suppose this is 5 centimeter, means it is also 5 centimeter. It is also 5 centimeter. What is the perimeter? How you find? This is 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is also perimeter. But three sides are equal. It is equilateral triangle. So this way, how you find that 3 into 5 means number of sides into the one of the side. Number of sides, three sides are there, 3 into 5. You have to find this is how much is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. This is the equilateral triangle. Understand? General normal triangle given means what you will do? You will add the three sides. It is not add the three sides, but it is easy. What is that equilateral triangle given means you have to multiply 3 into 5. Okay? Now another number is there. That is another figure, that is square. What is the meaning of square? All sides are equal. So how you find the perimeter of the square? All sides are equal. This side is how much? This side also that much. This side also that much. So suppose side is 4 centimeter. It is also 4 centimeter. It is also 4 centimeter. And it is also 4 centimeter. Then how you find the perimeter? Then how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. 4 into what is the measurement of the one side? That is 4 centimeter. So 4 into 4 you will do. That is 6 centimeter. 16 centimeter. That is the perimeter of the square. Suppose quadrilateral given. Quadrilateral means different sides are there. It is 5 centimeter. Suppose it is 5 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter given means what you will do? You will add all these sides. But here this is also quadrilateral. But this quadrilateral, this is all sides are equal. So it is called square. All sides equal of the quadrilateral is called a square. So square is 4 into side rotating. Like this way given means you have to add all the sides of the length measurement. Okay? Next, rectangle. So this is also a polygon, closed figure with line segments. So this is rectangle. In this rectangle, lengths are equal and breadths are equal. So this side is called length and this side is also called length and this side is called breadth and this side is called breadth. These opposite sides are equal. These two lengths are equal and two breadths are equal. Suppose length given. See how you find the perimeter? Perimeter means length means this is this side plus this side. This is length and this is breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So first you will add length, then breadth, then length, then breadth. See, length plus breadth, length plus breadth. So how many lengths are there? 2 lengths are there. How many breadths are there? 2 breadths are there. So here 2 is common you have to take. Then how much will come? 2 into L plus B. Means like this is the formula of perimeter of the rectangle. If rectangle given means you have to directly you will put this formula and find the perimeter. Another formula is L plus B plus L plus B. This is also same. But if rectangle given, 2 measurement given means you have to use this formula. 2 into L plus B. L means like B means breadth. 2 into L plus. This bracket means this is meaning of into. So 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Understand? All the formulas you have to by heart. Write first square. What is the perimeter of the square? That is the 4 into side. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. What is that? That is 4 into side. And perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? That is 2 into L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. Then perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That is, what is that? That is 3 into side. These are the formulas. Other any polygons given means you will add all the sides. Okay? So this much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Okay? Thank you.